To chop. To chop. Jason is chopping the ingredients for the sauce. To bake. To bake. My mom loves to bake cookies. They're delicious. To peel. To peel. It's easy to peel a cucumber with a peeler. To slice. To slice. We slice the bread and then we toast it. To boil. To boil. I've boiled eggs in the morning for breakfast. To fry. To fry. It's not very healthy, but fried chicken is delicious. To grill. To grill. My dad likes to cook outside and grill his steaks. To stir. To stir. If you add sugar to your tea, make sure to stir it. To add. To add. Just add the products to your cart. Shopping online is simple and easy. To steam. To steam. To cook faster, you can cover the pot and use the steam. To cook. To cook. I'm cooking a very special omelette tonight.